Hello and welcome to a new topic, that is essay. In this lesson we will talk about definition of essay and origin of essay. So let's talk about, and the first point is definition of essay. What's that? The Oxford English Dictionary explains it as a composition of moderate length on any particular subject or branch of a subject. Here the point is that a composition of moderate length. Composition, it refers to writing. Means a type of writing which is of moderate length. When we say moderate length, it means that neither it is too long nor it is too short. On any particular subject, means an essay can be written, or an essay is a type of writing which is neither too long nor too short and can be written on any particular subject, on any specific subject, on any special idea that you have in your mind, or could be written on any branch of a subject. It could be written, criticism, poetry, novel, drama, and so on. This we can say as a branch of subject. Now we have another point. Sainsbury describe it as a work of prose art. For sure, essay belongs to the creativity of prose art. Means it belongs to the category of prose, not of poetry. We continue. We have some more ideas about the definition of essay. The theme of the essay may touch any department of human thought. That is to say, you can write essay on any topic you like, on any idea you have. We have some more ideas about this. It may be scientific, philosophic, historical, or critical. So, essay has a wider area of perception and observation. One may write a scientific essay, may write philosophic essay, may write historical essay, may write critical essay, depending upon the kind of topic you have in your mind. We continue with some more ideas, that is to say, origin of essay. How did essay start? Where did it come from? Let's talk about this. The origin of the essay has generally been attributed to the Roman writers, Cicero and Seneca. So these are the two most important writers, Cicero and Seneca. They are the Roman writers, and normally origin of essay goes back to the era of when they started writing. And you should know that they were versatile writers. They were most prolific writers, and that is why they wrote epistles, which are regarded more as essays than letters. Since they were very versatile writers, they wrote letters, and during that time letters were termed as epistles, and those epistles were so versatile, so prolific, so fascinating, so creative that many of the critics term them more as essays than letters. So this could be taken as origin of essay. Now we have some more ideas about origin of essay. However, the art of writing essay took its proper shape with Francis Bacon. And who is Francis Bacon? He is regarded as the father of English essay. So Francis Bacon is known as the father of English essay. In fact, essay took its modern form with Francis Bacon. The word essay comes from the word essays, which means an attempt towards elucidation of the subject. Here we have two ideas. First, this word comes from the word essays, and basically this word means an attempt towards. An attempt means make an effort. So when we write an essay, when we try to explain things, what do? First, we try to make an attempt. We try to think to write upon a particular topic. In the process of making an effort to write something, what do is that we elucidate the subject. We explain the subject. We narrate, we describe the subject. We describe the topic so that the readers understand what the topic we are writing is quite clear and understandable. Basically, what do we do in the essay? Essay is an art in which we as a writer tries to elucidate, try to describe, try to explain the topic upon which we are going to write about. This is basically the idea of the essay. And in modern time, essay is really considered to be a very scientific kind of writing. People try to develop the idea logically. So that is all we have in today's lecture about definition and origin of essay. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye. In my next lesson, I will talk about types of essay. And we have different types of essays like aphoristic essay, critical essay, periodical essay, social essay, and personal essay. That's all. Goodbye.